How to change font style on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the text size, enable bold text, use larger accessibility fonts. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Next, tap Text Size and drag the slider to make the text larger or smaller based on your preference. If you'd like thicker text that's easier to read, go back to the setting, then tap on Accessibility, and tap on Display and Text Size, and turn on Bold Text. Your iPhone may ask to restart briefly to apply the change. For even more text customization, go back to Settings, then tap Accessibility. Select Display and Text Size. Here you'll find additional options, such as larger text, button shapes, increased contrast, and other accessibility features that can make text easier to read. If you want even bigger fonts, tap Larger Text, enable larger accessibility sizes, and adjust the slider to your preferred size. Now, if you're looking to change the font style itself, here's something important to know. And that's it. That's how you can customize text and fonts on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.